Hello everybody, my name is Joshua Winkens and welcome back to a desk setup. Now this is going to kind of be behind the scenes of what my desk actually looks like, what computer I use and stuff like that, to kind of give you behind the scenes of how I'm able to produce some of these videos. Now I've already shown you guys kind of what's in my camera bag, so I won't be talking about that, and I will be in a later video talking about iMovie tutorial, the program that I actually use, so I won't be going into too much depth of the actual program I use, kind of just showing you my desk setup, something that I've worked on for a while. It's just a laptop and a couple other accessories. It's going to cost a couple $100, so it is something that you guys can go and definitely go ahead and purchase. So before we go ahead and jump into the rest of this video, I want to go ahead and plug my Instagram. It's the only thing I'm going to plug right now. So the Instagram is right here. You see some really cool photos that I have taken before. So if you guys want to go ahead and check it out, my stories, I also post some really cool stories, so you guys can go ahead and check that out too. Anyways guys, as you guys can see, the desk setup is right back there. Let's go ahead and jump into the desk setup. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and actually hop into the editing setup so you can see, I can break down the prices and stuff like that of everything I own. So let's go ahead and hop into it. The first thing that I'm going to go ahead and show off is this little GROOT toy, GROOT figurine. Now I did actually get this from a friend, so I'm not exactly sure the price, but probably cost about $10–20. Nothing super fancy or nothing super expensive. Let's go ahead and hop into the light of choice or whatever. So this right here, the overlaying clip will show stuff that I can't show, but this is an Amazon light. It actually is equipped with a Philip Hughes light bulb. All the links will be down in the description, but you probably can just look up some modern light on Amazon, and in terms of that, it just makes your desk setup look really nice, as well as having a light source when you want to work when it's dark outside. So that's kind of the basic summary of that. Now behind my computer is an actual Google Home Mini. Now I did actually get this on sale. I believe it cost me, I think it was like $30 or $40, whatever, $10 below the actual sale, so it may have been $40. So it's just a great addition to have some kind of smart device or smart tech inside your desk setup or in your room, anywhere in your house. I highly recommend the Google Home Mini. $40 for smart home tech, so much smarter than Siri. I own both, and I will tell you, I would take Google for the rest of my life, even though I'm a huge Apple techie. But in terms of that, it's great to have some kind of home setup if you want to know upcoming events you have, weather, date, time, or whatever. Instead of just searching it up, just go ahead and take 2 seconds to give you the answer. So in terms of that, it's kind of all I like to say. Smart home technology, great addition, and I plan on having more in the future. Now, I have here a little Amazon plant. Now this, I believe, was shown in an Amazon $100 unboxing video, I believe, maybe 4 months ago. It was a long time ago. So a bunch of stuff you will see from that video. But the plant is a great place to kind of make your setup pop. If you have any kind of like dark black or gray or white setup, you're going to want some kind of red, green, or blue accents. Fake plants are a great place to start to make your desk setup look extremely nice. Now, another thing that I have is these Beats Solo 3s. Now, these are expensive. They cost about $300. But in terms of the usage, I personally don't find myself using them that much because I kind of have this area to myself, so I don't really have people annoying me or kind of too much noise. We'll just focus on video editing, so I don't really need them that much. But in terms of cheaper headphones, one of the best. Beats is definitely one of the best. Bose is probably a better option if you're looking for a more high quality headphones. But here I also have a headphone stand. This costs about $10–15 on Amazon. Great place to put your headphones. If you're on a desk, you're going to want to have some kind of headphone stand. Your headphones don't look really nice when they're just sitting on the desk. Now another addition that I have that I highly recommend is a little notepad here, and I also have a pen right here. Now this is a great place to write down video ideas, or if you're not doing videos or schoolwork or anything like that, it's a great place to write down ideas. I use it for video ideas. That way I just always have new content to be able to create for you guys. Now over here I do have my iPhone XS. You've seen it so many times I don't even want to go into it because I feel like I'm just blasting it. That's who I got in the iPhone XS. But great iPhone. It's great to have some kind of phone in your desk setup. That's kind of not really a desk accessory, but it's a great. That's just what I want to show what's a part of my desk setup. Now here I do have a MacBook Air 2014 edition. This was gifted by a friend. I think it cost about $1,100. Expensive. I got lucky, I understand, but in terms of just a laptop, I would highly recommend, if you're starting out video editing and you want to just starting desk setup, you're probably going to want to get some kind of laptop. A desktop is nice, but you're able to be more mobile with a laptop, so I highly recommend starting off with a laptop. Mine's a MacBook Air. I know a lot of people might not be able to start with a MacBook Air. That's my personal preference, so... But yeah, laptop is a great place to start out with. And here, right here, I can overlay a little bit on the screen, but it's just like a MacBook laptop stand. I think it's like a 13-inch stand, and it's a great place if you actually having some kind of laptop to be able to video edit on a laptop. I know it's not as powerful as a desktop. That's why, in my experience, you're gonna want some kind of stand to be able to elevate the computer. That way, the cooling system can run, so your computer doesn't overheat. I've had tons of problems with that, but it works. It does a great job of having a circular airflow or whatever, making sure my computer doesn't overheat. I haven't really had any problems with that. And when you're video editing, a laptop is definitely going to overheat more than a desktop. That's just a fact, and you can't change it that much. So in terms of the desk, I don't know where I got it from. I believe it was from Walmart a long time ago. Just like a black desk at Walmart, Target, or whatever. Chair, this was gifted by a friend, so unfortunately I can't give you a link or a price or anything like that. Most likely it cost $50, $60. But to get a good, nice chair, I don't know what good, nice was, but to get a good chair, you're going to probably want to go to... I don't know, Home Depot or some kind of home improvement store, and you kind of, whatever you want your desk set to be, black, white, or red theme, you want to probably keep your desk and chair about the same color, just to make your desk setup look really nice, or have all opposite colors, one black and one white, contrasting colors. Anyways, guys, hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, leave a like on this video, and go ahead and follow me on my social medias. And basically, this video is probably going to be recorded about 3 weeks when it's actually released, because it's part of the behind the scenes series. But that's all I gotta say there. Anyways, guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace!